It's my pleasure to introduce Ning as our next speaker, our last speaker of the afternoon. Ning is a Vice President of Engineering, heading Multimedia R&D at Qualcomm Technologies. He has been involved in Qualcomm's multimedia R&D space from its very early phase. During his tenure, Ning has initiated and contributed to speech recognition and coding, mobile 3D graphics, and of course, computer vision technologies. Ning has a few hundred patents granted. He received his PhD from the University of Arizona and a master's from the Chinese Academy of Sciences and a BS from Peking University. So it's my great pleasure to introduce Ning, who will be talking about how Qualcomm is powering AI-driven multimedia at the edge.
Thank you, Jose, for your kind introduction. As you have heard, I'm not from a marketing team, so that I'm not going to introduce any product to you, but sharing some my personal experience as a researcher from inside of Qualcomm to develop the application. I think from different perspective, it may be more helpful for the third-party startup and engineers. So the topic I'm going to talk is Qualcomm's multimedia technology and how it is advanced by the AI technology in recent years. We are going to focus on 4 different areas. The first one is the multimedia driven by AI from one step to the next step, and also the trends of multimedia in my personal view. The third is the AI solution at the edge. How do we enable those solutions efficiently? The last one is about the ecosystem. I think it's something some of you may be more interested in to the last topic.